Division of Highways focuses their priorities on road maintenance, they'll be encouraging contractors of all sizes to bid for contracts. This video will help you understand how to register online as a new vendor to use vendor self-service. Vendor self-service, or VSS for short, lets vendors register with the purchasing division, search for contract opportunities, place bids, and view their fee status. Step 1. Designate a point person. This will be important during registration. You'll need to decide who will manage your WVOH vendor account on behalf of your company. Step 2. Gather your information. Before registering as a vendor, gather the following documents: information on each of your business locations, your tax ID number, your legal business name as it's registered with the IRS, your optional DUNS number, your contact information, UNS-PSC commodity code, and the W-9 form as required by the Finance Division. Step 3. Go to the login page. Go to WVOASIS.gov. Click on the VSS button. It will take you to the Welcome page where you can click on the Register button. You'll be guided through several steps to check for an existing account or to create a new one. If you don't find an existing account to claim, you'll need to click New Registration. You'll need to create a user ID, provide your email, and create a password and security question. Remember them. You'll always need them to log in. After you complete this section, you'll be prompted to check your email where WVOASIS sent you a verification. Yay! Click the link provided in the email. That link will bring you back to WVOASIS where you'll finish your registration. For a detailed explanation of the registration process, view the WVOASIS Vendor Self-Service Registration Quick Start Guide online that you can find on the VSS Welcome page. Step 4. Registration Fee Payment. When you've entered all of the required information for registration, you'll click on the Submit Registration button. This will take you directly to the Fee Details page. There you may choose how you'll pay the registration fee. Vendors are not required to pay to bid on a solicitation, but may be required to in order to receive a contract award. Step 5. Search for contract. Once logged in, the West Virginia Purchasing Bulletin will appear among multiple tabs. Vendors can search for solicitations by using keywords or scrolling through the list. The vendor should click Respond Now when they're ready to submit a response. If you need help, contact the WVOASIS Help Desk by calling toll-free at 855-666-8823 or locally at 304-558-6708, or by emailing the help desk at WVOASIS.gov. Thank you for your interest in working with the state of West Virginia.